Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. In today's video, I want to share how to plant your plants straight in the soil in the ground. I have bought a few plants today and I just wanted to share my experience. Gloves, very important, especially when you're dealing with your garden soil in the ground. You don't know what's in there, so good to have gloves, your hands covered, safe. And then always it's the best thing to add water in the soil one day prior to planting, because that will make the soil very loose. After digging, I'll put my plant in without disturbing the roots of the plant. I will straight away just take it outside the pot, not disturb it, and straight away put it inside the ground. Cover it with the soil from all the directions so that I can make sure that the leveling of the soil is proper and even from all sides. That's what I've done here. This is my lavender plant that I have bought for the garden, just to keep some mites and spiders away, the rats away. Good to plant some herbs in your garden for that. This is my Sheffilara and few other plants that I've brought today. So I'll be planting them all one by one, but I'll share one more plant that I have planted, my geranium. So first you have to decide where do you want to plant. This is one of those sides in the garden where there is full sun all day, every day. So it's a good spot to plant geranium. So you have to understand that wherever you're planting your plant, is that a good place to plant that plant? If will it get the proper sun it needs or the shade it needs? That's when you start digging the soil and planting it. Don't please just plant your plant wherever you have space. You have to understand the amount of sun that spot gets, and then plant it accordingly. So this is a very sunny spot, hence I'm planting this geranium red color. Again, the similar way, gently handling the plant outside the pot, putting it in the soil, covering it with this garden soil. Loose garden soil is the best. There is no need to have a very clayey soil. Normal garden soil is the best, and you can always add some cow manure if you like, just to get more blooms. Very important, give it a good shower after you plant it. Very important. Also, don't plant it when it's a very hot day or very sunny. I have planted this in the evening and the temperature was only 16 degrees. So a good day, it's not a hot day, you can do that. But I will make sure that I give it good amount of water so that the roots can settle easily in the soil. The plant needs good shower, so that, because whenever you you shift the plant from the pot to ground or from one pot to the other pot, it gets into shock. So the best thing to do is give it a lot of water so that it can settle easily. Do subscribe this channel if you love the content and be part of this family. Thank you for watching this video.